Just so we're clear, this is the government and media spin on honest, hardworking Americans in desperation that have been forgotten by their own government. These same people are saying that these people that are in need will not allow FEMA to assist them. And FEMA hasn't been there. It has been the churches and people from the community and honest, hardworking, loyal fucking Americans that have benefited their brothers and sisters. Listen, to be honest, the federal government had a 5-hour no-fly zone over that area in the middle of disaster recovery so that a belittled president, confused man, could fly over the area and step off an airplane, and when asked about it, asked which storm. Was that because he didn't know who he was or where he was at? Or because he knew about a storm in Florida before it was ever announced? And then told the people that they had everything they needed. If that was the case, if people had everything they needed, do you think there would be people standing up, armed, policing, and trying to get their people safe? No. Go no further than the flight zone that was issued by the Michigan team in the fucking area of disaster that told people, don't fly your helicopters in here. Do you think if people were honestly getting help, they would be armed and saying, fuck the government? No. Oh, that's right. They gave them $750. Where are they going to spend $750? There's no ATMs. There's no power. There's no water. There's no fucking phones to call Amazon. Hey, can you deliver me $750 of food for my family? What, Walmart's going to fly drones in? What, their stores open? No, they're all fucking gone. And so now you understand that what we're at is at the breaking point of this country, where the government, which has got so much fat that needs to be cut off of it, has become so big that they're incompetent. And the people that are running it don't give a damn about the people. If they did, do you think there would be American citizens defending their lands, saying, stay the fuck out, we got this, we don't need you? No, they wouldn't. And the rumors that these people are out to get your women and children is just another government spin. If the government, listen, the only efficient thing in the government that is working properly is the IRS. That is it. The rest of it, two-dick goat shit. Circus at the cost of the American people. For real. We've been there, and we'll go back, and we'll fucking fight. Fuck it. Let's get it on. Fluid English.